Hey, I'm sorry you can't see my face yet. I can't locate my cap. I lost it somewhere. I don't go anywhere without my cap. Nobody sees me without it. So, what we got for today? Cleaning out our messy refrigerator. Not dirty messy, just disorganized. Everything thrown all over the place. So, stick around. Hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. Hit that like button. And hang out with us for a little while today. First thing I'm going to do is start going through getting all these glasses that is supposed to be washed as soon as I get through using them. That don't happen. I'm going to get all of them rinsed up and then some wash water, and then run me some fresh wash water for cleaning the refrigerator out. Using me some good old Dawn dish soap with the quacker on it. Now that that's accomplished, I'm going to run me some cold, C-O-L-D, cold water, soapy water, to clean the fridge out. Never use hot water on the glass inside the refrigerator. The fridge is cold. Hot water will shatter the glass. I may or may not be talking from experience, not for myself, but maybe possibly my wife that has experienced that lesson. Have any of y'all ever experienced that? Well, let's get this show on the road. Y'all see why I say clean and organize? More organizing than cleaning. But I've told the kids and the wife, this shelf right here is for mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, any of the basic condiments like you might use on a sandwich, which ketchup most people don't use on a sandwich. But ketchup kind of goes with mustard and mayonnaise on the same shelf. So that's all that should be on that shelf. This one, for all the dressings. Cheese whiz ain't a dressing. Hot sauce surely ain't no dressing. Maybe some people. Pickles surely ain't a dressing. This one up here is supposed to be for all the hot sauces and any extras that we have, such as jelly, preserves, from my in-laws. And this side over here is supposed to be for the pickled stuff. Pickles, relish, pickled jalapenos. I don't think cheese whiz is pickled. Hey, 1, 2. That aggravates the mess out of me. Does it, y'all, when you go through the refrigerator and there's 2 or 3 different containers of the same stuff? How much you want to bet I can find at least one more ketchup? We got biscuits there, biscuits back there, biscuits there, sour cream, pickles back there I can see, barbecue sauce. That would actually go with probably the mayonnaise and mustard stuff. Oh, shut up. Hold on, people. I wasn't ever a rich person, and I don't like all that technology. There's some pickles. This is supposed to be for sliced cheese, or maybe this one's for sliced cheese. Not a block of Velveeta either. And this is supposed to be for block cheese and the open bag of cheese. There's a block. There's the open bag. There's some sliced cheese back there. Y'all see it right there? If y'all can't tell, I like Velveeta quite a bit. Let's see what all is back here. Plenty of milk, some cheese. Oh, what do you know? Some pickle juice. That stuff, we drink that. A third of a cup every morning and night. Just plain pickle juice. Creamer for the coffee. An onion down there. We got one tater salad right there. Another one back there. Hey, there's sour cream. Can y'all see if there is ketchup over there anywhere? I don't see any, but there's 2 more bags of cheese and 4 bags of cheese right there. Oh my goodness. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Let's get going. How many packages of oven grated cheese? 1. That's not even enough in that to call it, to count it. Or that one. Oh, electric went out. See if we can make this come back on. You back again? Got the lights back on. Technology, they turn off too quickly. So we were at 3, but 2 of them was trash. Lay that over there. 4, that's not enough in that to count. So we're at 1 bag and 3 trash. I only count the sour creams that we have in here. That's a brand new one. Just bought it yesterday. Here's one right here. It still looks real good on the inside. So that's 2. Let me clean that one. Had dog or cat hair on it. Three. Ain't even been opened. Four. You know what this is from? Kids not telling Daddy that we're out of something. So every time we go to the store, Daddy just goes in and picks up a new one because he never knows. Nobody ever says, hey, we're out of this, out of that. So Daddy just picks up everything he knows we need. And then it don't get used as fast as I buy it. Well, people, it looks like I need to move y'all to the other side. If you can't tell, I'm kind of OCD. think that belongs up here in the pickled side. Makes 6 total bags of cheese I have found that was open. Four of which was trash because there wasn't enough in them. While I'm wiping off this next shelf here, drop a comment down below and let me know if you have a pet peeve of a disorganized refrigerator or a disorganized anything. I hate non-organization. I go overboard sometimes, they say. I don't think so, but that's what they tell me. They as in the wife and the kiddos. Light went out again. Can y'all see fine if we finish up in the dark? That tater salad right there, I get it at Sam's. Man, they had a really good tater salad back about a year ago. They quit carrying it. That's pretty good. It's cheap, it's reasonable. But that other kind, oh man, it was the best potato salad I've ever had. Even better than Granny's. Anybody know me? They know my granny could cook. And if I say something was better than hers, it truly was. That's fixed to be finished in just a minute. This will go after a while. Actually, I'll put that right up there. Actually, I'm going to redo this side since that is all sour creams right there. I'm going to put that chocolate milk right up there on the ledge. Y'all sure it ain't too dark for y'all to see? Nobody said anything. Oh, looky there. That one ain't open yet. I think we got enough cheese to constipate an army. What do y'all think? Hey, drop me a comment and let me know what kind of creamer y'all use. What's your favorite creamer? All-time creamer and then holiday creamer, because those holiday ones I only put out just during the winter time, basically. took a gallon of milk out and swapped it with 2 pickle bottles. Need to finish that one right there. I set this orange juice bottle back here on y'all's big hips, so make sure y'all don't wiggle around any while you are watching this, so my orange juice don't fall off until I can grab it again. Hey, anybody that watches this could send me a email, therealcrazyality@gmail.com, and send me some pictures of your most organized areas in your house. Those might be interesting to see. Might do a I don't know what you call it. Throw a bunch of videos together, or pictures together, of different house organization ideas. Y'all want to be part of that? If y'all do, hit that subscribe button. Send me an email over with the pictures, and we'll throw some ideas out there for people. Okay, I think that about does it pretty darn good. Well, there it is. The finished product. And you put some ketchup down there. We got some up in the cabinet. Usually have a pretty good selection of, oh, I forgot to move that. Usually have a pretty good selection of extras stashed back. Got some chicken fajita meat thawing for supper right there. Well, I think this about wraps it up, people, so see you on the next one.